Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing this eye look that I've done here. It's like a orangey browny spotlight look, and it's just 3 eyeshadows and 3 brushes that I've used. So first of all, I'm going to dip into Selfie, that one, and the usual drill, just pack it on here. Just take it on the lower lash line, just slowly. Then I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to buff that out and blend it. This brush is amazing for blending the hair. I'm going to go with this brush here and this colour here, Shook, and pack it on the ends. And then just kind of connect that together. And back on the shape, just fix that off a bit. I'm taking that colour and the colour select again and just kind of darken that up from the top. Now I'm going to take the colour Gold here and just kind of go over everything. Just like that. Now I'm taking the colour Unique, that one, that's a full shadow, and I'm just going to put it on in the middle. Really pigmented. And go back to this brush, just blend it, no harsh lines. Just deepen it a bit more in the middle. And just take a bit in the same place on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take some mascara again and just place it on the lower and top lash line, generous amounts. I'm actually getting ready for work, so I thought I may as well film it, even though I'm running late, but if I leave one eye till last, it'll be a lot easier, and I'll save time. And that's the finished look. Really hope you enjoyed this look. Please like it and hopefully subscribe to my channel already. If not, hit that subscribe button, and any comments or further suggestions, please leave them down below. Thank you. See you next time.